Hello everyone, this is Anton, and in today's video I want to get into a calendar app that you might not have seen. So I've been showing lately some of the different ways you can do tasks and add times to tasks, notifications to tasks. Now if you want to actually kind of kick your productivity game up a little differently within Obsidian and leverage a calendar, then here's the plugin for you. But before we get into the video, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. It helps get this content out to other people just like yourself looking for content like this. And as I previously said, I really appreciate it. So let's get into the video. So you may already know about one of the most popular calendar plugins that is used in Obsidian. I have it set up right now or installed right now, and it's really lives in the sidebar. It only lives in the sidebar. It's pretty useful. You can get around, you can click on the different daily notes from here, and if you don't have a daily note, it will prompt you to actually create one. So, but this is not what I'm actually going to show you. So let's show a bigger calendar, just like you would have, similar to like a Google Calendar, and have it show all your events, your to-dos that have times, etc. on them. So we'll go ahead and click out of here. We'll go ahead and install it like we would any other plugin, and we're going to type in here big. So what we want is the big calendar plugin. We're going to install it, and we're going to enable it. And what we're going to do now is take a look at what this does. So the big calendar plugin, first it'll put in a little button here on the sidebar where you can easily click on it and it will activate itself and kind of show you what it does. It is kind of funny that the big calendar icon here is smaller than the daily notes calendar icon. Might need to fix that big calendar. Let's go ahead and click on big calendar and look what I'm greeted with. So by default, this is bringing us to an agenda view of all the calendar or to-do items, I should say, that are in my vault between these dates. So this is pretty neat. I have not seen this before in Obsidian. I kind of stumbled on this a little while ago, and I really want to show other people who may not have seen this as well and give this plugin some notice. So this is pretty cool here, right? But we can go into a daily view where you can get a breakdown of the timeline within there, and then all the different tasks that have a time associated with it. You can get a weekly view, and this shows you again from a weekly view all the different items you have in here with some kind of time also associated with it. And if you don't have a time, then it just shows at the top here, almost like it's an all-day type event from a calendar perspective. And then if we go into the monthly view, you're greeted with the entire month calendar view, which is pretty nice. I think this is really clean. It's nice here, and you can see all your events from here. Pretty easy. Now you can even click on a date and you can type in a new event or task, right, item, and it puts it into the calendar for you. If you click on double click on that, it'll open up the actual to do, and then if you want to give it a time where you want to do something here, let's say at 6 o'clock here, go ahead and put a time on that there. So if I go into the daily view, you should be able to see that what day we're on. Actually the next day, or click on the next day there. And I did it on the 1st actually, so March 1st at 6 o'clock, and there we go. So we have that task that I just put in there. And as I showed you before, you can double click on these. It'll open up the actual daily note that you have these tasks assigned in. Also, while you're in these views, so I'm in the monthly view right now, You can also either go forward or you can go back within the different months. Same thing with the weeks. You can go forward or back. So it gives you good, easy navigation throughout your different timelines within the calendar here. So pretty easy. You can just switch back and forth between these and see the the relevant activities or tasks, to-dos that you have assigned within the daily notes, depending on the times or the days or the month that you've created those particular to-dos. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Big Calendar plugin. It's pretty simple, straightforward, but I think it provides a nice view to all of your tasks that you're assigning times on, or just having your daily notes where you can get a nice calendar view, whether it's the entire month, by week, by day, or even agenda view, and see it from different perspectives instead of trying to either search through your to-do items or having some other plugin where it's just a generic list of to-dos. Alright, so if you found value in this information that I provided in the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, have a nice day.